Without us even knowing it, big data really underlies almost everything that we do today. It impacts our lives on our smartphones and on our commutes and on the weather forecasting. And so in fact, it's a part of almost everything that we do every day.
We think of big data as the new natural resource. The question is, what are we doing with the data to make a better solution for the future?
SOSCIP's goal is really to help solve social, technical, and business challenges that revolve around big data. We bring in academic researchers to work with those small and medium-sized companies that have great ideas, but don't necessarily know how to use the technology or can afford to pay for the technology.
My research project, particularly as it relates to SOSCIP, it revolves around developing numerical models to simulate the effect of extreme microclimate effects on cities. SOSCIP has been a blessing to my research team by providing the computational resources.
We take signals that are naturally emitted from the body and we apply sophisticated math to them to generate variables and introduce the machine learning or artificial intelligence to them.
SOSCIP and IBM have provided both the cloud infrastructure and the computers that we need.
We couldn't be, I think, without that kind of support.
Meta is an artificial intelligence company. Essentially, we make tools that make the literature discovery, publishing, and horizon prediction process much more efficient. SOSCIP has fundamentally allowed us to accelerate key points of our project. Two of our most expensive line items in running a company like Meta is human resources and compute resources. So by alleviating some of the compute resource costs, we were able to then kind of retarget those budgetary items back into staffing. We were able to grow our team.
SOSCIP provides researchers with access, first of all, to machines that are unparalleled in Canada. SOSCIP has also provided funding to bring in highly qualified people to work on research projects, connecting industrial research with academic research.
Computational methods of actually looking at these very complex issues is something new that I haven't seen anywhere else.
Every research-intensive university within Southern Ontario is a member of SOSCIP. SOSCIP is actually led by the University of Toronto and Western University, but it's a massive collaboration across the whole province. We also have IBM Canada as our founding and lead industry partner, and OCE, the Ontario Centres of Excellence, as our primary funding partner.
VLBI is the innovation of simultaneously observing an object with multiple radio telescopes across the Earth and achieving the resolution of a telescope the size of the Earth. Part of it has already affected us, for example, the ability to make precise position measurements for GPS. GPS relies ultimately on a reference frame that uses radio telescopes.
We're at a phase right now where we've had such great success, but we're interested in continuing to grow. We have to do more. We have to go bigger. We have to expand our collaboration to include more partners. And so that's what we've been really focusing on. There's a great opportunity for SOSCIP to contribute to the research and development of other large organizations within Canada. The future of SOSCIP is really bright.